Hello everyone, Shadowcraft here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you all. Today is my first bead kit. Probably my last, because this cost me like $35 and I'm not quite sure if it's worth it. I found money came in and I had to get stuff for the house, and so I didn't have much money left over. So keeping in line with what I'm trying to do for my new business, I bought a kit. Hopefully it'll work out. It's supposed to come with a few extra little ditties. So let's see if it's worth the $35. Don't forget, I still have the Doctor Who collab going on. Okay, open up. Thank you. Okay, so what do we have here? I mainly bought it because I wanted the machine. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if it works first. You can plug it into your computer. I like that because it's right next to me. Let's see how noisy it is too. I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I know, you can determine how fast and how slow it goes. All right. It's still going. Why is it still going? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, I got that done. Done. This is the other reason why I got it. It's a beading needle. Oh, there we go. Oh, you get two of them. Oh, I thought I only got one. Okay. Okay, I like that idea. Just in case they break, because apparently they do. Yeah, and this is why I don't like. Okay, we go there. And we have a manual. Insert making instructions. Love a good manual. Okay. Comes in a resealable bag. I like that. I like when you can reuse things. Horrible pair of scissors. Could never do with too much string. I don't like these. I don't know what you could actually use them for. That goes way through. These are like so much smaller than I thought they'd be. Garbage. The colors are nice. Can we put more lighting in there? I like the blue, so yeah, I'm gonna grab the blue. I'm glad they put this in it because things like to jumble around a lot. The colors are vibrant. Ah, that's one. And here are the primary colors as well. They're all pastel and primary, which I don't mind. Okay, this is not showing up the way I thought it would. This is like super lemony. It's not showing up. Nope. Not even close. Looks so much better in person. And the last one, this is where all the cute stuff is. Oh, there's some alphas in here. And some filler beads. And some charms. Oh, that says love. That's the beachy stuff. An elephant. Berry on the moon. Get that? There you go. Little heart. Little turtle. Oops. Little seashell. Those will go into its separate container. What do we have here? We have a cross. Heart. Snowflake. Another heart. Turtle. Turtle's cute. They don't give much for charms. The evil eye. Whole bunch of different colors. Some fruit. I don't know what that is. Come on, focus. And some flowers. Wow, this stuff is actually smaller than I thought they would be. Filler beads, alphas, filler beads. What is the deal? Oh, some star filler beads. I kind of wish they filled these to the top, you know? Some cubes. Some shells. Oh, come on. You can bark at me later. Gold alphas. Different color hearts. I'm not even going to put that together. Just keep it there. And where did it go? Oh. And because I did have a little bit of leftover, and I'm still trying to start my spiritual collection for jewelry making. Get 10 of each for the chakra system. So there's 70 in here of gold and the same as silver. These are a lot smaller than I thought, but that's okay because I didn't need them huge. I love it. Okay, so that's my entire box opening. Hopefully I can make some good stuff and make some money because things are getting really, really tight. I can't even do Temu anymore. So box openings and hauls, forget it. I can't even do local. So I hope you like. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if anybody has any idea about a company called feellook.art, please leave something in the comments about it because they asked me if I wanted to do a PR thing. So I don't know if these guys are legit or what. Okie doke, that's all I have for now. Have a great day. Namaste.